probably light blue.
Walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you.
Oh, that's a share. Concentration. That easy one.
It's day 8.
Oh.
It's day 8, but it feels like day 60.
Oh. We're running late a little, but the squad.
Wait,
Oh my
Plus Ultra.
Plus Ultra, bro. Plus Ultra, let's get it.
Oh, this is Plus Ultra.
Oh god.
United States. Oh shit, it raps. It rips. Plus Ultra, let's go.
Let's go, let's get it.
United States smash.
Someone yell Clyde's name, I have no voice.
Clyde! He has his headphones in.
Plus Ultra!
Hey, who's that? Who's that? Oh, Peter. Yo, we're in the movie. Hey, let's go. Wait, move. Oh, wait, show again.
That's a deal. All right. 3, 2, 1, and go. All right. Also using the sort of right side approach. That works.
We're slipping.
2,
Go, one more.
3. I love the commitment that you brought to that. And that's our time.
Hey, nice.
Nice work.
Nice now.
That's the problem.
Wait, I mean, I guess landing up early, you should be in the same spot, right?
Back here again. my god. Are you guys, are you my classmates?
Can we get a picture, bro?
No, fuck you guys.
Hey, did you go to the cosplay gathering?
You're good.
Is anyone here today with the stamp trigger dollar? You have it?
Hi, thank you for coming all the way to
Black armoring for Leo the Golem is that the burnish is able to kind of make fire into a solid object, and that's pretty much what they do for the burnish's armor.
ちゃんと確実に言っときたいんだけどね、監督。キルラキルじゃなくてプロメアは、まあ宇宙が。
Only rocks.
No, all of us lost already?
I was second round.
Rock, paper, scissors, go. Rocks again. All right, scissors. Oh, those who lost right now, please come up to the side right now, please. We've got something.
なんかもうジャケットレベルのハイクオリティイラストなんだけど。黒いから楽なんだよ。え？黒いから楽なんだよ。
I'm very like it.
It's the boom. It's the boom. Hey. Another way. Hey. Hey. Yo. Go towards the front. Make sure you're not next to a Haikyuu cosplayer. I'm not trying to get my ears blown off after my throat.
I was saying that.
All the plot twists.
Do it again, do it again. Do it again, bro, I wasn't ready. Oh. Is that a hamburger?
Oh yeah.
It's a hamburger.
あ、なるほど。和樹さんのコンビによるテレビシリーズのアニメでした。
Yeah, so Kill la Kill is actually the
Let's
first.
go ahead and start with Koyama-san's illustration.
じゃあちょっと小山さん切り替えます。
これ緑色のキャンバス
He
なの
made a green screen.
おアニマルスタイルだ
Animal style.
シークレットメニューだよ
Secret menu. She knows the truth. So it's still in progress. あ、じゃあ見せない方がいいですか? Okay, so this is how much progress we've made. It's still a long ways to go. So how
No,
about we
it's
switch to
Gamagori.
Imaishi
Gamagori's,
監督. 切り替えていいですか?
At least
All right.
it's big.
So Imaishi-san, maybe you could walk us through what you're doing right here. これちょっと何を見てるか簡単に説明していただいていいですかね? そう、これは、じゃなくて、もうお客さん何をこれは見ていて何を期待できるでしょう、これは。Do you guys know who this is?
Yeah.
All right, shout it out on 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you guys know what's up.
Oh.
So Koyama-san, maybe you could walk us through what you're doing here. ちょっとこれは何を書いているか簡単に説明していただいていいですか？
ガマ氷の芝生の人です。
So, Gamagori, yes.
出た、マイボーイだ。
You just say my boy?
In whip mode, I believe. Wow.
最初こう来る前に、そういえば WTTR 書こうと思って来てたの忘れてた。
So, I just realized on my way here, I told myself, I should draw a double DTR. How cool would that be?
そうやったらリュウコ書き始めちゃった。
And after I sat down, I just started drawing Ryuko. I can't explain it.
監督もう一枚書いていただいて。
かっこいいですね。
Wow. Is it too late to change the character selection art?
キャラステルのキーアートもう変更できないですか？
I'm sure about it.
Hi. I want to just say thank you for.
Mako.
Yo, Mako writing Gamagori.
So we'll have to ask Nakashima-san for the exact details. He
Mega Man.
picked those songs and the
Finish,
titles.
finish. I want to see it.
で今回のゲームの
Yeah.
サイドストーリーのストーリーのタイトルもちゃんと中島さんが考えてくれてます。
And also in the story mode as well, Nakashima-san is responsible for picking the titles as well.
楽しみにしてください。
Awesome.
So yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And folks, I'm afraid that's all we have the time for. So let's go ahead and get some closing comments from our panelists.
締めに一言ずつお願いします。
ちょっと
Oh my goodness.
So where can we get these? これはどこで手に入れられるんでしょうかね。こうネットに。
これあれですよね、書き終わったものは
Call you when I leave. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? Dabble. Where's Angie? Angie's over there. Motherfucking dabble. Getting that dabble animal style. With the boys. Dabble.
Wait, you gotta daburu.
Dabble. Bro, you got Jackie Miles, bro. Dabble. Dabble, you got Jackie Miles.
So you got that right. I said, oh, that hurts. and then Ken was like,
Eat a hamburger. What? My man.
and then he said, man.
He can't even finish the story. I need a hamburger.
I was in here. My eyes hurt. It's salty, bro. No, so then Ken said, my man's got a quirk. and I'm like, what?
I hella paused. I said, what I said, Joe?
No, it's fucked up. It's not funny, but like, and Ken's like,
bro, we're tired.
and Ken's like, He's gay?
I don't know why he's dying. I don't know why he's No.
Oh shit, damn, not a wait.
Oh.